So I'm going to go ahead and jump into a demo, relatively simple in terms of how this will be represented. So this would be a data warehouse example in which we're in a Snowflake data warehouse. Of course, this could be BigQuery, Amazon, or any other data warehouse that you're operating in. Here's an example of some feature tables that Accorded is managing and creating on behalf of the risk-bearing entity or provider. So we have looked at the NYU avoidable ED as an example. You can see that we're taking in claims data live from the partner. We're calculating and applying the NYU avoidable ED logic to define what the avoidable ED claims are, and we're creating metrics and data fields that can be used for performance measurement as well as operational analytics to help support a risk-bearing entity with this key performance metric. For a data analyst to be able to come in, they can use this table in their own analysis, or for a business analyst that needs to report on a metric, again, this table can be used into their own workflows. If there's any questions in terms of what these data fields mean, how the avoidable ED logic is being populated, we also have an admin portal that allows for users to come in, understand what the tables that Accorded Acumen is managing, the different methodologies. In this case, we have descriptors in terms of how the data table was being created, the data sources, the different integrations, as well as definitions on the data fields that you'll see within the data warehouse, so that for a user that is coming in net new, they'll be able to come into the admin portal, understand where the data is coming from, and then being able to apply it in their analysis appropriately based on the contextual information.